This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about sauce dishes, specifically these Voga sauce dishes. It's a 1 ounce rectangle black melamine sauce dish. It's 4 inches long, 2.5 inches wide, and 1.25 inches high. It's made of durable, shatterproof melamine, and it's a stylish way to serve up sauces and dips. You can see it's got that little elevation to it. It's almost up on a little platform, and you've got those flared corners to give it a nice, stylish, sleek presentation. And then it's got that kind of almost matte, satiny finish to the black. It's made from a BPA-free melamine. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup and really built for commercial use, so it's gonna stand up to heavy use while maintaining its finish. It's perfect for any establishment that's looking for a long-lasting, reusable dish for sauces and dips.